and welcome to Unboxing Canada. This is Adil again, and today we have a new box from Amazon Prime. So let's say we're gonna open it right now together. Let's see what is in there. I spend a lot of money from this, guys. Amazon spending a lot of money, and there's no benefit at all from what I'm doing. Videos and everything, just for you guys. Doing this a lot of unboxings. I hope it will benefit you guys. I'll maybe show you what is there. So let's see. So first thing first, we have UBeesize. What is that? Let's see. So first thing we have is this one here. That's a box. What's inside? I really don't know. But let's open it. Yeah, for sure I bought it. But I bought a lot of things. So I don't know which is which. So let's see what is in there. Let's see a way to open it. Okay. How do you open this box? Not from this side. From this side, maybe. Oh, now I know what it is. Oh, this is for you guys. This is for you guys I'm spending. So basically, this would be the lights. Sure, it's gonna be the lights. So I know a lot of people complain that, you know, it's dark whenever I film a video in some of my channels. So basically this will be a stand that I'll have to, you know, attach the phone here, and the phone will be in the middle and with the lights. So basically it will make it very clear for you guys to watch. So this is it. So what do we have here? We have the connector, we have the wires. So here basically it has the power off, the lights on, changing the color of the lights. I know you guys saw the previous one that I have, the small one. Same thing, basically same functions. And there's a manual. This is how to use it. You can see here, these are the steps, how to connect it and everything. Okay, and this is a bag, so basically you're gonna put everything in here, which is really good. Now what we have here is, I guess you guys know, right? This will be the stand. So where we connect this to be standing. That's cool. Now I am a cameraman. Now I'm getting professional, by the way, huh? Thank you guys for your comments. If you guys wouldn't have told me, you know, put your lights on properly and all these things, I wouldn't know that I have to buy all this stuff. So basically, I don't want to say basically because someone will laugh at me. So I'll connect this. We're gonna connect this into, sorry, let's see. How to attach the phone holder. So first step, second step, so this one has to go to the top and then connect the phone and the lights. So this has to go to the top, basically. Light the nut,